Festive chaos, $5 fun. Today I'm turning a 16.9-ounce smart water bottle into a mini care package, packed with travel-size essentials and small goodies. It's a twist that replaces a traditional stocking stuffer with something creative and practical. Now, I need to make an opening. The plastic's cut edges can be sharp, so I carefully poke a hole in the bottle. Then I use scissors to cut a flap on the left and another on the right. I take my time and try to make neat cuts without jagged edges. I carefully shape it and fold it open like a double door. It looks like the right size, but I can go back and trim more later if necessary. Now I use tape to seal over the cut edges of the doors. I have enough room to load the bottle without scraping my hands on the edges. The tape extends over the cut edges so there are no sharp corners. Part of the fun is seeing what can fit in the bottle. I have an assortment of samples, travel-size toiletries, and small essentials. There aren't really any rules, but it is best to avoid mixing fragrances and foods because they can mingle together in the container. I'm trying to use a 2-ounce bottle of hand sanitizer, but it takes up too much space in the layout. A smaller bottle would probably work perfectly. I empty the bottle and start again. As I fill the water bottle, I place the product labels facing outward. This creates a little showcase of holiday goodies. This bottle is themed as a gift for men. Honestly, it can be tricky to find small items that work well for guys, while the women's version is easier to fill. I'm keeping it simple with basic essentials. Everything fits fine now, but I don't like how it looks just yet. Time to rearrange. The recipient can enlarge the opening when they're ready, so all the items slide out without any careful maneuvering. For now, I want to keep the door small just to keep them guessing how it all fits. Now it's all coming together, the goodies fit perfectly, and the outward labels give it some festive variety. These travel flossers come in a mini case. The flossers fit, but they don't leave enough room. I'll set them aside for another stocking stuffer bottle. Looking good so far, with all the different colors showing nicely. I compress everything and there is some space at the top of the bottle. When it's closer to gift-giving time, I'll drop in a few wrapped candies through the opening and then close the lid. Almost done. I'm pressing everything together to make space and fit the last item. These mini deodorants seem smaller than I remember, about the size of my pinky. I'll be watching for a travel deodorant larger than half an ounce next time. Perfect fit. Now I'm shaping the doors shut to finish off this holiday bottle. Looks solid, nothing's moving around. I bend the plastic flaps back into place. I'll tape the door closed with packing tape and fold a corner so it opens easily. And that's it, our Essentials themed gift bottle is finished. It's budget-friendly, fun to make, and perfect as a holiday surprise. Keep it simple with everyday items like lip balm, nail polish, mini lotions, and hair clips. Or go for a bigger bottle and add higher-end products if you want to splurge. Try making one yourself and share this idea with friends. It's a creative, festive gift that looks great and costs just a few dollars.